Hello there. Today we'll be doing a flight of stairs in binary search. There's a staircase with n steps, and you can climb up either one step or two steps at a time. Given an integer n, write a function that returns the number of unique ways you can climb the staircase. The order of the steps matter, so each different order of steps count as a way. You could want to mod the results by 10 times 9 plus to the 9th power plus 7. I think it's probably because of overflow. Okay, so right. So this particular problem is very similar to the stairs problem, which requires dynamic programming. And let's go over the idea. So let's say it takes one step to get to step 1 and another one step to get to step 2. Starting with that as our basis, how do we get to step 3? To get to step 3, we have one way to get to step 3 from step 1 and one way to get to step 3 from step 2. So there are two steps to it we can take. So how many ways are there to get to step 4? Well, there's one way from step 2, which is taking 2 steps, and two ways from step 3. So we add that up and we get 3 steps, 3 ways to get to step 4. And so on and so forth, by adding up the previous and the current number to get the next number. So this is very simple code. Then previous step, current step, which is equal to 1. Then for next step in a range n, previous step and current step. So we're going to set the previous step to the current step and set the current step to the next step, which is previous step plus the current step. Now we can return our previous step, which is our last step, mod by 10 modulus 9 times 9 plus 7. So this should give us our accepted answer and our solution. So let's walk through the solution one more time to get a better understanding of what's going on here. All right, so we set the P, we set the C, and we set the n timer. Let's say it's 0 right now. After the first step, P and C, well, we start here. We start at 1, 1. So P and C starts here, and let's go to the next item. So now n is 1. Let's go to the next item. Now n is 2. N has reached the 3 location because it's limited to 1 less n minus 1 moves up, and the previous item is now currently at the correct spot for what we're trying to do, and that's how we got the solution to work. Yeah, that's why the code is the way it is. So if you have any questions, please comment below. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. And if you want more videos, please check out the link in the description below. And as always, have a good one, and I'll see you again.